Music. Welcome to my BetterHelp Teletherapy review. Find usage experience links below. BetterHelp is a popular online platform connecting you with licensed therapists via text, video, and audio. Perfect for convenient, accessible mental health support from home, BetterHelp addresses stress, anxiety, depression, relationship issues, or simply provides someone to talk to. They offer professional support tailored to you. BetterHelp is flexible. Choose messaging therapy, exchanging messages anytime, all live video, phone, or chat sessions. Therapy fits your schedule, ideal for busy professionals, students, or anyone struggling with in-person sessions. Don't click with your therapist? Switch. Find the perfect fit for your needs. Access BetterHelp on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, therapy from anywhere. The subscription-based service varies in price depending on location and needs. More affordable than traditional therapy, it still connects you with licensed professionals specializing in diverse issues. Your privacy is protected with encryption, ensuring confidential sessions. BetterHelp values discretion and offers flexible, affordable mental health support. An excellent choice for accessible online therapy. Check the description for details.